Hello, you guys. It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel for the love of. If you're joining me for the first time, I want to say welcome and thank you for taking the time to click on this HomeWorx / Harry Slatkin first impression and unboxing. If you're a returning viewer or subscriber, welcome back. You guys, I hope you're all doing well. I hope everyone's hanging in there. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a HomeWorx unboxing, and as I said, first impression. This is a QVC purchase. My order just came in today. I wanted to hop on here and share it with you guys. I ordered this about a month ago, probably about a month ago by now, and it finally arrived today. So I couldn't wait to hop on here and share it with you guys. Like I said, this is a newer item. I think this is one of the newest slatkin items that was available on QVC. It was like a spring type collection. They had two different fragrances. They had a peach cobbler and then they had a strawberry patch, and I obviously wound up grabbing one of them. So I'm going to share it with you today. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. All right, let's take a peek and see what I got. I obviously did open up the package just a little bit so it wasn't crinkling. What I do want to mention, anytime I've ordered from HomeWorx, and this is only, I think, the second or third time. I think I've had 3 different HomeWorx candles so far. They've always been packaged very nicely. I haven't had any issues with packaging. I did obviously open this one up just to, cut down on any crinkling. But look at, there it is. So I obviously wound up ordering the strawberry patch. Like I said, there's 2 different options, strawberry patch and then the peach cobbler. And you guys, look at the size of this candle. I don't know if this is the size. I don't think this is the normal size of the slatkin candles. Maybe it's the vessel that makes it look much larger. This one's a 4-wick, of course. Maybe they are all this size. I was just really impressed with how pretty this dish is. I mean, this you could reuse, repurpose, as you can with most all of the other slatkin candles, but I was very impressed with that. And then let me show you. All right, so I just showed you guys the base, and I do want to mention, this was actually, so there were 2 layers of this styrofoam in between the candle and then, in separating the topper. Let me show you guys what this looks like. Look at that. So I obviously got the strawberry one, like I was saying. They had obviously a peach one too. It was just orange with little peaches on it. I like strawberry scents over peach, so I obviously got the strawberry. But look at how cute this is. Like I said, this is something you would obviously repurpose, keep, save. I mean, darling little set. Let me get the box out of the way and then I'll give you guys my cold sniff impression. And there you have it, you guys. So that is the strawberry patch candle from HomeWorx. Like I said, this was available on QVC. Oddly enough, I didn't have a billing statement in the inside of that box, so I can't remember offhand how much this was. I believe it was $35 or $40 with shipping. I might be lowballing it. Those of you who have purchased them, comment down below. I just don't have the info in front of me. But like I said, they had 2 different options, and this is one of the newest ones that they have out, at least right now on QVC. Really happy with the purchase. This would just be very cute if you had like a cute country chic kind of, decor going on, or, really most anything. I plan to, let me show you guys. Well, I have little touches of red in the kitchen, but I don't have like a country aesthetic going. What I do plan to do is repurpose just this white dish. I mean, it's really pretty. It has some nice details to it. Let me show you guys the scent notes. I'm going to turn the candle over and I'll show you guys the scent notes, and then I'll give you guys my first sniff impression. Okay, you guys, so I was going to actually tip the candle over and read you guys the scent notes. My camera's not focusing, but what I will do is I'm going to throw the scent notes up on the screen. If I'm remembering correctly, the scent notes for this are strawberry, blackberry, raspberry, and sugar. So for whatever reason, when I ordered this, I was thinking it was going to be more of like a strawberry pie for whatever reason. And let me smell this. As I'm smelling it, and right when I unboxed it too, it's fragrant, you guys. So I mean, this is very fragrant. So what I was getting was just like a straight berry type fragrance. So if you're someone who really likes like a fresh sweetened berry. It smells like if you took strawberries, blackberries, and maybe a pinch of raspberries and put them in a bowl and add, like, sprinkled sugar on them. That's literally what this smells like. I love the scent. It's very, very realistic to me. It doesn't smell like a fakey type strawberry. It doesn't smell like a fake artificially raspberry fragrance or anything like that. It's just a beautiful, beautiful berry blended fragrance. If you are someone who likes more of a gourmand type fragrance and you're not a big fan of straight fruit scents, I don't know if you would like this one. I like both. I actually probably plan to burn this one alongside one of my new DW Home Vanilla fragrances. I feel like the two of those would kind of pair nicely, or you could, you know, put any sort of vanilla or bakery scent inside a warmer and kind of, you know, I guess scent layer it that way. But I cannot wait to try this one. Like I said, just on cold, I'm already getting wafts of like a beautiful, beautiful berry blend. It's not a gourmand scent though, you guys. So I just want to mention that because I was, for whatever reason, thinking I was going to get more of like a bakery pie type scent. I still love it. I'm still going to keep it. I'm going to burn it. And I will obviously do post-burn and burn follow-up reviews for this one if you guys are interested. And I'll probably wind up doing Instagram follow-ups on it as soon as I burn it. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed. I know a lot of you guys probably already purchased yours. I don't know if I've seen any reviews come down the pike with this one, so I'd be curious to see any of those of you who actually have burned it and have received yours. Comment down below, let me know what your thoughts are. Before I sign off, I do also want to let you guys know I'm on Instagram, so if you're on there, come find me at life, L-I-F-E _with W-I-T-H _L. I use my Instagram to post a lot of upcoming videos, purchases, hauls, things like that. So if you're on there, come find me. And you guys, that is it for me today. As always, I hope you're having an awesome day, awesome evening, weekend, whatever time it is you're watching this video. Until next time, we'll see you later.